They're gonna follow the mare. Wow, this is Tonga, Eua. That must be the mare or the stud, because they're following him. Oh, that is so awesome. Wild Horses of Eua coming right through the main street, right main part of town. And there's about, look. The Wild Horses of Eua, people, with their two babies, and that's the male and his females following him. He's the leader. And look at all this country they could run freely through. This island has mountains. That was so cool watching these. I didn't think I'd see them come through the main street here in town. And they actually did. I thought they would only be on the back side of the island. They're back there. I'm gonna try to walk that way. It's so cool to see them. Oh, they're gonna be gone. By the time I get there, they'll be in the bushes and gone. I couldn't keep up. But yeah, that was so cool. Blue jays going by over there. Oh man, that was nice to see a bunch of wild horses, because those don't belong to anybody. Those horses are here wild and free in Eua, and nobody actually owns them, I think. They just breed wildly and run free. I was wondering if somebody did catch one, who's the wrangler and who knows how to actually tame it. Yeah, you know, you gotta bronco bust these horses, I'm sure. They've never had humans on them. That was cool. All right. Back to Eua.